Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to download and install Evermatch dating application in your device. So you can see this is the Android phone. If you use iPhone, then go to App Store. So I'm just going to open Google Play Store, and then here you can see the search box. Simply tap on that and click here. Type here Evermatch. And you can see this is the amazing dating app. You can talk with people. You can talk with your friends, or if you really want to find your virtual girlfriend or real girlfriend, then you can find here them. So you can see what you need to do. You need to tap on the install button. So it takes few time to install in your device. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching the video.